Blending major and minor pentatonic scales into a single position on the fretboard is actually really simple. Now C is the relative minor of the E major scale, and there's also a C major scale, and they're both located in the same position. If we play the two scales, starting with the C note, on the 6th string, we will start to see some interesting overlaps. Now the C minor is using a form 1 box, and the C major is using a form 2 box, and this is a great way to compare the two. Basically, all the notes on the 8th and 10th frets are suddenly available to us and in play, and they let us move seamlessly between C major and C minor. The notes on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings are often seen when playing minor pentatonic, and the notes in the 1st and 2nd strings are a major part of the BB box. Other characteristic notes can be added in as needed to fill out the range. Not a bad way to see the major and minor pentatonics in one position on the fretboard.